guys, so you probably already know by the title, but this video is a pack with me. So I'm going on a very long road trip with my family, and I am going to need a lot of clothes and a lot of things for this trip. So let's go along for the journey of packing for this trip with me. Oh yeah. Alright, so first off, we're gonna need a lot of clothes. So let's just start getting some clothes. I also have some clothes that need to be washed, so let's go wash those. Now we're gonna go for shorts. Of course, gotta have the jean shorts. These are a little tight, but for now I'm gonna pack them. The regular little shorts, athletic shorts for working out. Also got two skirts packed, and I have some spandex to go underneath. I also forgot, but I'm gonna need some athletic shorts. Okay, so quickly I want to come on here and explain why I have so much athletic clothing for working out. I know I'm going on vacation, but I'm doing cross country this fall and I need to work out and run over the summer, so I have to run during vacation, which is annoying, but I have to pack for that. Next up, I have this packing cube to put underwear in. These are some undershirts for crop tops that I want to make a little bit more modest. There it is. Next up on the agenda is swimsuits, and I know I have 3 pairs of swimsuits I know definitely fit, and I have some from last year. I'm not 100% sure if they fit or not, so I'm going to grab the ones I know fit, grab some cover-ups, and pack those, and then I'll try on the swimsuits later and see what can fit and what can't. Here are my 3 swim tops I know fit. And here are my 4 swim bottoms I know fit. Here are 2 cover-ups. We're not done with clothes yet because summer and things are in the wash still, but now I'm going to focus more on accessories. This is a phone holder I use for running, and I can also use it for walking. I'm going to grab 1 hair clip in case I have wet hair and we're going out after I have wet hair. This is one option for a purse. It's pretty small and it's a crossbody and it could be used. I'm not 100% sure. This is another purse I might bring. We're going to need some hair ties. Rubber bands for braces, backpack for the car. I went downstairs. I also got some swimming goggles, 2 hats, and my other pair of sunglasses. Accessories are pretty much done. Almost forgot to pack a light jacket. I made a list on my iPad of things I need to pack. Let's go through the list and see what I can cross off. Now I'm going to pack the car bag. In here are going to be things like books, puzzles, and easy to access things that I'm going to need when I'm in the car. And yeah, I'm going to pack 1 hat, 1 pair of sunglasses. I'm going to pack in here some chargers, but I need the chargers until we leave, so I'm going to hold on to those. But I'm also going to pack some earbuds, book, more book. I'll probably want some more things, but I'm going to leave that like it for now. With all the other accessories, I'm going to put them in the suitcase. Okay, so I just did a bunch of laundry and now everything's clean, everything's here that I want to wear. Now I'm gonna start making some outfits. So I used my digital planner on GoodNotes and I made a little calendar of each of the days of the road trip, where we're gonna be, what kind of attire am I wearing, more comfortable things, more practical items, like nicer clothing, those categories. And then I also tried to include some of the color palettes of the places so I could wear things that I thought would go well with the place that I'm staying in. Just, you know, for some added customization. So let's start making some outfits. Alright, this is what I come up with. It is very strategic. I have outfits for all of the days, and then some of them just have shirts because I'll be re-wearing some shorts from previous days, but I have outfits for all the days. I have workout outfits, nice outfits, and a jacket. I also forgot to mention, but I grabbed 5 sets of pajamas. Now let's start putting this stuff in the suitcase. Yay, this is gonna be so fun. I'm joking, this is gonna be interesting though. I did it. It took a very long time, but I was able to get it done. And I'll show you what my suitcase currently looks like now. Here's what the suitcase is looking like. We have all the clothes laid out, and then there's a row below it for the next week. We have some sunblock, we have underwear things, we have breakfast items, we have PJs, and here I have my swimsuit cover-ups, working out clothes there, nice clothes right here, swimsuits are in there, and then you've already seen all this stuff. Alright, day 2 of packing. I need to pack some shoes. I have some nice sandals if we like go out somewhere nice, and I also have some flip-flops because we're gonna definitely be going to the beach and also maybe pools, so I want to have some flip-flops for that. Next up, I'm going to pack my toiletries in this bag. I have a few clips that I'm going to put in here. I ended up deciding to put the clip in here instead. I'm also going to put the hair ties in here. We have some deodorant, razor, hair net in case I don't want to wash my hair, and I have a toothbrush. I just have to open this up. Toothbrush. Alright, toiletry bag is packed. I can throw this out. I also have a trash bag for my dirty laundry. And a raincoat. Now I'm going to pack some more things. Got my running pouch, puzzle book, puzzle book, puzzle book. I'm also going to pack my camera to take some Polaroid pictures on. Here's the camera. I'm also going to bring this and some paper and a charger. That's pretty much it for this pack with me. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!